Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Dogecoin update. Right, so elections are coming up. We are just 4 days away from the election, and it is Trump versus Kamala, and we already are trying to see what is going to happen. Now the crypto world wants Trump to win because Trump is going to make cryptocurrency much better. He's trying to be the first Bitcoin president, and the first country for to offer or to promote Bitcoin on a large scale. That's what they're trying to do at the moment. Now secondly is that we do have this one huge channel, or we're coming up to the end until June 2025 here. So we are about to see probably a massive explosion up from this, because you can actually see that was the resistance right there. This is the resistance here, and you got another rejection right there. So soon enough, the good chances are we break above here, retest, and then actually go all the way to this technical target, hopefully in the next coming, and I think November is the perfect month to do this, right? November, and especially top that with the US election. US election historically has always been a very good time for crypto. Whenever you saw the US election happening, we've seen crypto going up. So this is pretty much the most perfect time for us to see Dogecoin break above here, retest, and also try to push for a new technical target with new all-time high. And of course, keep in mind that Elon Musk is heavily involved in Dogecoin, and also heavily involved in one of the Trump's project, which is DOGE. So Department of Government Efficiency is what they call it. So DOGE, Doge, right? The full abbreviation is Department of Government Efficiency. So that is a huge hint. This coin right here is pretty much a jam coin that we're looking at right now. So that's it for the update. And one more thing is that you see this weekly RSI is also pretty low. And my personal takes are, I think the top is going to come when we see this RSI absolutely climbing back up to 95.34. That was the previous all-time high on the RSI. So we have a lot of time, and I do hope we're actually sitting somewhere here. Do you see that? Somewhere right over here, and that actually is almost like sitting somewhere just right over there. Okay, so this here, this that you see is the modern, this low right here. We want to see this another push coming up just like that, and we feel in the RSI as well. That's just my plan, and this is why I say Doge is just a holding coin more than a trading coin. It's not good in trading wise, right? You're not going to get a lot when you're trying to trade short term. It doesn't really move as much, but on a higher time frame, this coin is really golden. And I do see all-time high happening 0.7, and I do hope that we get a $5. This is my price prediction, if anyone was wondering. $5 for Dogecoin, and I think it can still have chances to go all the way to the upside. Anyone who bought at 0.7 is gonna get nearly 5x, which is very realistic. Okay, so going on 5x here in crypto is realistic, but those who are getting it down here, this is almost that's gonna be 30x. Incredible. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.